Les vengo a presentar una nueva serie, por supuesto en Sensa, esta vez en Universal Plus. Una serie que llega ahora, en días nada más, en agosto. Se llama Wolf, es una serie inglesa y cuenta la historia de Jack Caffery, que es un joven inspector de policía atormentado por el secuestro y el asesinato de su hermano en la década del 90. Desde entonces, solo piensa en dar con el asesino y vengarse. Su objetivo parece estar más cerca cuando encuentra una nueva pista que le conduce al hogar de una riquísima familia que vive en una casa aislada en Gales. Vos te preguntarás, ¿y eso qué tiene que ver con el nombre Wolf, que significa lobo? Bueno, ya te vas a dar cuenta. Mira.
Your theory on those murders, that's full of holes.
We're finally here.
Our phone line's been cut.
Time for some fun.
Why are you doing this?
We want you to be scared. But when I say scared, I mean really scared.
You won't get away with this.
Don't!
So I've been poking around an old case. 5 years ago, I knew that something was off.
You found something, didn't you?
2 men have taken us hostage in our home.
I need to find that house. They're still out there.
You didn't really think that was it, did you?
I love my family. But there are secrets we've never shared.
Why have you been hiding?
It's time to admit who we really are.
Hey, it is a bit weird, yeah.
That is a bit odd.
You two enjoy yourselves.
Worst bed and breakfast ever.